There are more grains of sand on this earth than stars in our Milky Way. Or so they say. So while we can dream and gaze above, let's ground ourselves. Feel the earth, hear the ocean sway. In our minds we can dance amongst the heavens, but it is here we feel, touch, and breathe. It's here we're bound to play. And play we should. Play we must. For that gives us joy in life. Joy brings us together, the urge to be young at heart, in soul, body and mind. So let's heed the youth we have. They are here. They are now. See them. Hear them. Bring them the shining future that they are trying to find. Prospective leaders to transform our world? Yes. No deed done by them is a deed too small, as they are leading today. Theirs is a bright, green future, self-driven, organised by youth, because there is no planet B, they rightly declare each Friday. The young and their allies know what's at stake. This is a climate emergency. And to you, young warriors, there's no need to look up to the stars, because they are here. They are right next to you. They are you. They are you with supernova energy. You're an eco-committee which talks, plans and do, declaring resolutely in school assemblies, "Be gone, single-use plastic, our time with you is through." And you're doing it in style, with art, creativity and skill, fashionably so. COVID, you'll see this out rocking a school tie mask, catching those airborne bugs mid-flow, and looking fierce needn't cost the earth. Patch up and bling those old jeans for Mother Nature's fashion show. Child's play. This is how it should be. A game of how many trees you can plant, a race to 25 or 40. Saplings to be nurtured in fields of shrubs and glorious mud. A school need not be contained within walls. Break down barriers. Connect with nature and its playground of plenty. From 40 trees to 40 acres, or for all your effort, just one, it's enough. But together, what about 300? Farmers, landowners, conservationists will partner with you on a Brecon Beacon's bluff. Just faith and trust is all it takes. Follow in their footsteps. Set off a chain reaction and restore nature away from the rough. Get inventing. Put that child's imagination to use. Science, tech, engineering and math. A high-tech composter? A solar power go-kart? And STEM is not just for boys, you know. Think that and you're having a laugh. See, we need more plant-based solutions, from vegware storage, packaging to eating less meat. Try veganism one day a week. Get it on that school menu. You'll be pleasantly surprised how it can be a tasty treat. And no more sibling rivalry at the dinner table, when a hearty meal makes the soul complete. Dear young people, you are the soul of the community, and so become the centre of it too. Lead. Join, run an event, pick up litter, clean that river, set that example where elders may have failed you. Create news and spread the word so others can follow what you do. You are Greta. You are Maya Rose. You are Scarlett. You are Theo, Ella, Hannah, Max, Lena. Be proud. Be fierce. Hold our generations to account. It's your time we are running foul. And from those in power pulling the strings of privilege, demand change and ask, why not now?
Why not now?
Why not now?
Why not now? Why not now?
We can do this. Let's get started. Why not now?